Being a great leader isn't just about managing your team, it's also about managing up. But no one ever really teaches you how to do that. Welcome to the second video in my new series, Lessons I Wish I Learned Earlier, where every week I share a video about lessons I wish I learned earlier in my career as a leader and a business owner. Most first-time leaders are so focused on managing their team that they forget that their bosses or higher-ups actually need managing too. Always remember that your boss is juggling 100 different things. So sometimes it's hard for them to see the work that you're doing. So it's up to you to create that visibility so that they can see the impact that you're having as a leader. So managing up isn't about sucking up. A big part of managing up is actually just making your work and your team's work visible so that your boss can see what's going on without having to check in all the time. This is also a great way for you to show your own impact with the team and projects. One of the best ways that you can do this, if you don't already have a tool like this, is to set up a project management system that your boss can just jump into at any time and check the progress of projects or tasks or where things are at. There are so many tools you can use. You can use a simple Excel spreadsheet or a Google Doc, but you can also use programs like Notion or Asana or Trello. Then using any of these, use them to track key projects, priorities, and any obstacles that you're coming up against or any issues. And then share that document or the link, whatever it is, with your boss so that they always have visibility. And depending on how you and your boss prefer to work, you could also pair that with like a weekly update, either like an instant message on Teams or Slack or something, or just an email saying, hey, this is what we've achieved. Just gives like some bullet notes of where you're at with things, but they can also go into the document for more detail if they want. This means that you're not going to have a boss who's looking over your shoulder trying to track progress. They're going to have visibility of what's going on. It also shows your initiative and how proactive you are. And that naturally keeps you top of mind for bigger opportunities. Let me know in the comments what other methods you use to help manage up at your work.